what next? Are you just gonna work in Mexico? Do you want to come back here and like buy a house or like try and like live here? Like what do you want to do after college?
That's a nice question. I don't know, but in Mexico it's very difficult because I get the same money to clean dishes here, and they pay for engineer in Mexico.
That's fucking gnarly. So you might as well just stay here.
Yeah, I don't know, but is if I stay here, I can go back to Mexico
You can't go back?
because they. ¿Cómo se dice me quitan?
They'll take.
Do what?
They'll take.
They.
They want to keep that.
They won't take.
They will take.
They will take what?
The passport.
Oh, and you can't. Oh, okay, so if you come here,
I can
you
stay
can't
for
go
live
back.
forever. I can stay live forever, just for a period, like 6 months. This is the largest time.
I think they only give them permission to be gone for that much time, and if he doesn't go back by the time, then he's gonna stay here, and they won't give him anyway, like transportation back to Mexico, so he'll be stuck here.
Transportation?
Like not transportation, but like the
Yeah.
passport and stuff like that. Like that's what he needs, so he wouldn't be able to go back.
That's weird.
Yeah.
That's really weird. Is it easy to get citizenship in America?
Yeah, you have to marry with an American girl. Yeah.
You have to marry an American girl. Is there any other ways?
This is another ways, but you have to work like in the. ¿Cómo se dice empresa?
Como empresa,
Industria, algo así. Industry.
like industry, they have to work in the industry.
Like they ask for you, like we want that guy because he knows a lot of things, and we want in the industry here in America, and they give you the passport for live here. It's hard to get that.
So it's hard to get citizenship here
Yeah.
for you.
Mm-hmm.
If you get citizenship here, can you go back to Mexico and
Yeah.
live there for like ever?
Yeah, like Gilberto.
Like who?
Gilberto.
Gilberto?
Yeah, he has his residence